Energy flow. All living systems rely on a constant source of energy. The primary source of energy for life on Earth is the sun. In this diagram, solar energy travels across a vacuum of space, strikes the Earth, and then some of that energy is reflected, while some of the other energy is transformed and then emitted back up into space in some other form. Energy flow. Energy from the sun is transformed from radiant energy to chemical energy by the process of photosynthesis, and from chemical energy to more useful forms of energy for cells, which is ATP, by cellular respiration. Every time energy is transformed, most of it is released as heat. The most free energy available to do work is in the sunlight. The amount of free energy will decrease as it transfers from one organism to the next. So most of the free energy available to do work is in this light, and once the plants harness that through photosynthesis, there is less free energy available in the sugars of the plants than there was before, and then when other organisms eat the plant, there will be less energy available in those organisms as well. Energy flow. Recall the chemical equation for photosynthesis. 6 carbon dioxides plus 6 water plus light energy yields glucose plus 6 oxygens. Light energy is used to produce glucose, sugar, and oxygen. And in cellular respiration, glucose plus 6 oxygen yields 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 water plus ATP energy. Glucose sugar is broken down to release energy. Autotrophs. In ecosystems, organisms that obtain energy from sunlight or chemicals to produce food are called autotrophs. Auto means self, troph means nourish. Since autotrophs make their own food, they are known as producers. Autotrophs can include plants or photosynthetic bacteria that contain chloroplasts, and chemoautotrophs are another type of autotroph, but they obtain their energy from inorganic chemicals rather than light. They do not contain chloroplasts. Heterotrophs. Organisms that rely on other organisms for food and energy are called heterotrophs. Hetero means different. Heterotrophs are also referred to as consumers because they consume other living things for their energy, whether it be other animals or plants. Heterotrophs. There are several types of heterotrophs. Herbivores obtain energy by eating only plants. Omnivores eat both plants and animals. Carnivores eat only animals. Detritivores feed on decaying material from plant and animal remains, also known as detritus. Decomposers break down organic matter.